Hi, my name is Kate, and behind me is the table of the future, socially distanced, limited to only 10. And the way of the future looks like this moving forward. We all recognize that the hospitality industry and the restaurant scene has been damaged and very much injured. It is our role as the core of the Food and Wine Festival to recognize and bring an alliance of local heritage ingredients connected to heirloom ingredients of Cebu found in the mountains and found in the province, such as cacao, adlay, local cinnamon, kabog, which is local millet, put into creative palette by unique talents. Today's talent is Chef Christian Tan, and he is doing an interpretation of Cebu's barbecue and Cebu boom.
So for tonight, we're doing textures of corn.
Okay.
Corn interpreted with different textures and preparations. We have lots of preparations for corn. We have a corn curry for that.
Wow.
And then we have some corn puree to enhance the flavor of the corn curry. And then we got a corn parfait, which we grill.
Wow.
So we got variations of hot and cold also. So the curry is gonna be hot, the parfait is gonna be hot, and some components are gonna be cold for contrast. And we got the umeboshi puree.
What is that?
It's a salted plum. It's like a Japanese salted plum.
Okay.
It's also pickled.
Okay.
Yeah, so it gives it a little bit of acidity to the dish. Yeah, and also got pickled corn.
Pickled
Baby corn. Yeah.
Very nice.
Pickled baby corn.
So is it marinated in a vinegar or?
Yeah, we have a pickling liquid.
Okay.
We pickle that, the baby corn, gives it an additional highlight for the acidity. For next one, we're gonna be doing a take on rice and soup.
Rice and soup.
Yeah, it's called everybody loves rice and soup, like us Filipinos.
So true.
Yeah.
So true.
Yeah, so
Comfort food.
So for the soup, we're doing a sinigang.
Sinigang.
Yeah. So for the rice component, we're gonna be featuring adlay.
Like,
So it's a sinigang adlay risotto, like we're doing.
wow.
Yeah.
On my mind right now.
Yeah, it is.
Sinigang adlay risotto.
Yep. And
Made
then
from tamarind.
yeah, made from tamarind, and we got prawns with it. So it's like sinigang na hipon.
My God.
Yeah,
Wow.
and we also have pickled radish on top, pickled radish.
Yep.
And
Because sinigang has
yeah,
radish.
sinigang has radish.
Hipon, it has
So,
kangkong, a little
yeah.
bit like, okay.
And sometimes we add eggplant, right?
Yes.
And then there's also such thing as sinigang sa miso.
Yeah,
So we have a miso eggplant with it too.
Okay.
And some dehydrated tamarind on top, like a powder. So for the mains, we have a protein, chicken. We're just doing chicken. It's a namjim glazed chicken.
What is namjim?
Namjim is a Thai-based dip. It's like general dip for all the grills, all the meats. Yeah, whatever you want to dip it with, it's quite nice. So our interpretation is we're glazing that dip with the chicken. So the chicken has that flavoring. It's also marinated with Thai flavors, tamarind, lemongrass, all those things.
Okay.
Yeah, and then to balance it out, it's quite flavorful. So we're gonna do a bit mellow yam puree. It's called
Taro.
tupig, I think. I'm not sure,
Okay.
but yeah, I call it a yam.
Yep.
Yeah, everyone calls
I
it
love
yam. Yeah, it is. So there's a bit of starchy component to that
Okay.
because we already have the rice dish. So it's nice to have a starchy component to balance out the flavors.
Right.
And then with a sauce, we have lemongrass dressing.
Lemongrass.
So it's inspired from lechon manok.
Yes.
Yeah.
So true.
Yep. And then also inspiration also is the atsuete oil that you add in bacolod Yeah, Bacolod
Love
chicken.
aswete for
Yeah.
so many different reasons.
And like final touch, we're gonna be using cacao de bola.
What is that?
It's something made from cacao. Like you can just shave on the
It's
side.
ball.
Yeah, it's a ball.
Okay.
It's made locally here in Cebu.
Yes.
It's made from cacao. It's made from cacao nibs. Our dessert is gonna be tropical flavors of Southeast Asia.
Okay.
So we're gonna be doing some textures of coconut, and an ingredient to be featured is landang.
Landang.
Yeah, it's like a local tapioca
Wow,
mixed with coconut. It's gonna be a coconut landang. And then accompanying flavors would be, all those tropical flavors, mango, calamansi. We also have cacao for it, chocolate. Turn into chocolate already. It's basically just various textures
Right.
for you to look at. It's gonna be it's like a simple looking dish, but all those components combined together would be, tell you, in Southeast Asia. At the peak of the pandemic, I just do some research and on various dishes and Southeast Asian dishes. With all these opportunities, also opening a restaurant soon.
Right.
Yeah, and right now I'm just doing something at home, like I'm doing deliveries
Right.
with elevated rice bowls.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
What is that? What
It's
is
all Southeast Asian
also
inspired dishes, but they're quite elevated, and some flavor variations also, like you don't get to see every day.
right.
I also help people get their product out, and maybe they have ingredients that it's fun to use. Maybe
Yeah,
I can
I
incorporate
think,
that.
That has always been our dream, way back with the Cebu City Tourism Commission, wherein to highlight the produce of the highlands, from the blooms to vegetables. In fact, it was our dream then to put up a common market, a bagsakan area, at the same time come up with a restaurant row, probably where you can just choose veggies from the area. And
First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizers of the first annual Cebu Wine and Food Festival. This is a very good development because it's one way also to perk up the interest of not only our local tourists but also the international tourists, that there's more to come here in the city of Cebu. And then we encourage also our local partners to continue with these activities like this, because this is what we need in order for our tourism industry to start rolling again.